Today we are going to talk about the keyboard, that too about a special breed called mechanical keyboards. Because of the pandemic and the boost to the work from home culture, personal computers are now seen more often in our homes. Mechanical keyboard has its own pros and cons, but the feedback provided by the keys and the typing satisfaction it gives is the biggest pro for me personally. Guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please do. Today we have Kreo Hive mechanical keyboard with us, and like you can make out from the tape pasted on the top, it wasn't a fresh but a used purchase. Apparently, it worked fine for a couple of months and then suddenly goes off one day, which is why today we are going to dismantle it and try our luck. First and foremost is removing these keys. Now they do come with key pullers, but I didn't get it. Well, what I still have are the fingers, and they are working just fine as a substitute. You can grab the keys nicely and pull them off, one by one. It comes with a dual stand with different heights for your convenience. Now, once I plug the cable, only the top function row goes on with blue light, but it's undetectable on the PC. I suspect it's the USB-C connection that must be malfunctioning since it is the one which got loose. There are three screws in the front. Unscrew it and we can take the back cover out. Let's have a look what makes these keys sound like the way they do. Looks like this copper stem and spring creates that noise when pressed and released. Remove the back cover and you can see the PCB. And since they comes with RGB lighting as well, you can see the individual LED beneath every key. This USB-C type connector is the culprit behind all this. It was already loose when I purchased, but worked fine and now it's completely gone. Looks like it needs some soldering and repair work. Anyways, let's hope for the best. And for the time being, I have purchased Red Gear Invader MK881 mechanical keyboard. It's been discontinued but available in refurbished condition in Amazon. I'll give the link in the description below. See you in the next video.